Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about how to get the information about the file using the file inbuilt class. Okay, first I import file class. F must be capital. And this is my class name, test file info. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I create the object for file class. New is the keyword to create the memory for F object during the execution of the program, and file parameter constructor. Inside the round brackets, I pass the path of the file. Text to file. Now, I use the while loop. Inside the file object, we have the exist method. Okay. So now I use the object for file class to call that method. F object dot exist method. Okay. So this method returns Boolean value. If it returns true, this file is exist inside the D drive. If it returns false, this file is not present inside the D drive. Okay. So now system.out.println the file name. Concatenation symbol. My object name FOBJ dot get name method. Okay. Likewise, I copy this statement, print absolute path of the given specified file. I use the get absolute path. Okay, this is the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. This method returns the absolute path of the specified file. Okay, and then writable. Is this writable or not? How can I check? Inside the file class we have the can write inbuilt method. With the help of that method, we can check whether this file is writable or not. Okay. So, what method? Can write method. Okay. And I want to check whether the specified file is readable or not. Okay. So, what can I do? We have the method. What method? Can read method is present inside the file class. So we can use that method. Okay. Can read. So this method returns Boolean value again. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay. And I change the output statement. And the size of the file. How can I get? Using the length method. Okay, This is also the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. Okay, this method returns the byte size of the specified file. Okay, and if the specified file is not present, the exists method return the false. At the time the control comes here, else block. Okay, so the file does not exist. Okay, so if we want to know the file information, we can use the file class. Okay, inside the file class we have so many inbuilt methods. From that methods we can use, okay, whatever we need. Here I have used the getName method, get absolute path, can write, can read and length. Okay, getName method returns the name of the specified file. Get absolute path returns the path of the specified file. Can write method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is writable. Okay, it returns false if the specified file is not writable. Okay, likewise can read method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay, if it returns false means the specified file is not a readable one. Okay, length returns the byte size of the given specified file. Got it? Okay, here we have the error message. Okay, here I have to give the if, not while. Okay, decision making statement only we have to implement here. So if it returns false only, the control comes here and the else block will be executed. Okay, first I have to save. Now let me execute the program. GetName returns av.textFile and getAbsolutePath returns the path of the file D drive ab text, and canWrite method returns true. We can write, and canRead method returns true, so we can read, and the length of the given file is 35. Okay, this is the byte size. Got it? Okay, you go and check. So what content inside the AB text, inside the D drive AB. Good morning, welcome to my home. This is my content. Okay, so we got 35. This is the size of the file. Okay, now let's discuss about RandomAccessFile. What is the usage of RandomAccessFile? Is a powerful class that provides a convenient way to read from the file and write to a file with random access. I repeat it again. RandomAccessFile is a powerful class that provides a convenient way to read from the file and write to a file with random access. Unlike FileInputStream class and the FileOutputStream class, RandomAccessFile allows to move the file pointer to any position within the file and read or write data at that specific location. Okay, this is the advantage. This flexibility makes RandomAccessFile particularly useful for scenarios where we need to perform random access operations on a file, like updating specific portions of a file without reading and writing the entire file. Okay, and also we will see the readUTF method and writeUTF method. This is also present inside the java.io package. Okay, let's see this example. First I import java.io package. Inside this package I have the RandomAccessFile, and I import the exception class. that is present inside the IO package, IO exception. Okay, and this is my class name, and inside this class I have created the main method. I implement the exception handling. Okay, so I use the try, and now I create the random access file object, RAN. This is my object name, and new is the keyword and a parameterized constructor for random access file, and the first parameter is the path of the file. Inside the D drive, AB is the name of the text file, and the second parameter is the mode. Now I use the read and write mode. Okay. So here catch, inside the round brackets I pass the IO exception. So the variable name is IE. Okay, and now I use the writeUTF method. Okay, that is also present inside the IO package. Okay, so here I use the writeUTF method. So what is the usage of this method? This method is used to write the given string value to the basic data output stream with the help of updated encoding scheme UTF-8. We already know UTF expansion is Unicode Transformation Format, 8-bit form, isn't it? So with the help of this method, we can write the given string value to the basic data output stream with the help of the updated encoding scheme UTF-8. Okay, so now I write. This is the name of the object for random access file, and now I use the writeUTF. Okay, so inside this round brackets I pass the string hello everyone. So using this inbuilt method I write this string inside this file. Okay, after I write this content into the file pointer position is at the end only, isn't it? So I have to move the end position to the beginning position, then only I can read the content. Am I correct? So now I use the seek method. So what is the usage of seek method? We already know. Okay, seek method is used to move the file pointer position to the another position, isn't it? So if we want to move the file pointer position from one to another, we can use this inbuilt method seek. Okay, now the file pointer is at the beginning, so I can read. Okay, so now I want to read the content from the specified file and write it on my console. So I use the println method, out.println, and inside the round brackets now I use the readUTF method. Okay, so what is the usage of readUTF? That is used to read a string that has been encoded using a modified UTF-8 and returned a string. Okay, so now I use that method. Okay, so now ran is my object name and readUTF. That's it. Okay, now I want to know the file pointer position. Okay, what I will do? I can use the get file pointer position. Again I use the println method to print the current file pointer position. So I just copy and paste here. file pointer position is. Ran get file pointer method. Okay. So here plus. Okay. And I print the error message inside the catch block. Okay, first I have to save. Now let me execute this one. Here this is my string, hello everyone. Okay, using this writeUTF method, I have written this hello everyone inside this AB text file. Okay, and with the help of the seek method, I externally move the file pointer position from the end to the beginning. Then only I can read, isn't it? After I have written this statement inside this file, the file pointer position automatically moves to the end only. Okay, so before I read the content, I have to move the file pointer position from the end to the beginning. Okay, then only I can read. So with the help of this seek method, I moved the file pointer from the end to the beginning. Okay, 0th position. And now I used the readUTF to read this content, and that content is printed here. And this is the inbuilt method. This method returned the current file pointer position. So after reading this content, now the file pointer position is 16. Okay, so you go and check. So inside the D drive, AB is the text file. Okay, so now I open the file inside the D drive, and AB is my file name. I opened it here. This is my content. Okay, UTF-8 format. Okay, this is not a human readable one. If we want to read this content, means you have to use the writeUTF method only. Okay, this is not a human readable one. In this example, we have used the random access file. What is the usage of random access file? We can read from the file and write to a file with random access. Unlike FileInputStream and FileOutputStream, random access file allows to move the file pointer to any position within the file and read or write data at that specific location. Okay, this flexibility makes random access file particularly useful for scenarios where we need to perform random access operations on a file, like updating specific portions of a file without reading and writing the entire file. This is the advantage of random access file. Okay, if we want to move, we can move the file pointer position from one location to another location. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.